Welcome back to Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally, an art teacher who set up my own small business, teaching business at the weekends. Now in today's video we're going to be getting straight into it. We're going to be doing a bit of stitch resist on a white t-shirt, and I'm really curious to know whether it's going to have a really strong white to indigo contrast or whether it's going to be a kind of pale blue, dark blue against the indigo. We shall see. So shall we get into this? Let's do it. So one of the t-shirts that I liked doing before with Shibori was the kind of circular one, a massive circular one in the middle. So I'm gonna have a go at that on a new t-shirt. You can see that I've bought a huge white t-shirt, extra large, I think it's a men's off Amazon, and I've ironed it and I've put a cutting mat inside, and I've got my water erasable pen, and now I'm going to just draw it out to begin with. Okay, so I've threaded up my needle, nice long strip of thread, black upholstery thread. I've used it before, it's really thick and won't break, hopefully. And yeah, we're going to start from the back of the fabric where I've put a huge knot in the bottom of my needle, and then take up your needle from the back. What we're going to do now is you pinch the fabric and sew a runner stitch around your design. Literally pinching the fabric through both parts of the fabric. And just carry on like that. All sewn, so literally I've pinched the fabric and done runner stitch all the way around the design. I actually really like it like that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start pulling the threads and tying a knot. Now we're ready to dye the fabric. So just gonna snip the thread away. Be careful you don't obviously snip the fabric. Okay guys, so this is how it came out. I really like it. You see that? So I obviously did the spiral shape, and yeah, it comes out quite subtle with it being the t-shirt material, but I still like it. Yeah, so there we go. What do we think, guys? I really like it. There we have it, we've finished. If you like this video guys, then please subscribe and hit the notification button so that you'll be told when I upload my next video. Do write a comment and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. It's so good to get that feedback. So yeah, thanks so much for the people that have been subscribing every week, and until the next video, I will see you shortly. Take care. See you soon.